in the exam, like sketch and label ultrastructure of mitochondria or explain the structure or ultrastructure of mitochondrion. Singular mitochondrion, plural mitochondrion. First of all, in the cell cytoplasm, most important cell organelle, that is mitochondria. Mitochondria are present. Single mitochondria consist outer mitochondrial membrane and inner mitochondrial membrane. Outer mitochondrial membrane is a smooth continuous membrane made up of lipids and protein, while inner mitochondrial membrane is not continuous but folded into a finger-like projections called as crista. Inner mitochondrial membrane is folded into finger-like projections called as crista. Many cristas are present in the inner mitochondrial membrane, and each crista consists many F1 particles. Each F1 particle consists head, middle piece of stalk and base. Under electron microscope, ultrastructure of mitochondrion shows outer mitochondrial membrane, inner mitochondrial membrane. Inner mitochondrial membrane involves the matrix. Matrix of mitochondria consists ribosomes, DNA and all the respiratory enzymes required for aerobic respiration. What is meant by aerobic respiration? The respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen, called as aerobic respiration. Inside the matrix, there is a presence of many enzymes required for aerobic respiration, and on the F1 particles, there is a presence of a reaction called as electron transport system reaction. Inside the mitochondria, glucose is completely broken down with the help of oxygen, and there is a proper production or creation of energy in the form of ATP. What is the long form of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. That ATP used by the cell to carry out each and every activity of the cell. Many functions inside the cells are carried out with the help of ATP. Therefore, ATP is also called as energy currency of a cell. Why ATP is called as energy currency of cell? Because that ATP is used to carry out all the metabolic activities of the cell, as well as for growth, for cell division and for cell reproduction. Therefore, ATP is also called as energy currency of cell, and all these ATPs are produced inside the mitochondria. Therefore, mitochondria is also called as powerhouse of the cell. Why mitochondria is also called as powerhouse of the cell? Because energy required for the cell is produced inside the mitochondria. Therefore, mitochondria is also called as powerhouse of the cell. All metabolic activity or all cellular activity or all life activities takes place or occurs in the presence of ATP. Adenosine triphosphate is an energy donating compound, and that compound is produced inside the mitochondria. Therefore, mitochondria is also called as powerhouse of the cell. What is the location of mitochondria? Presence in the all cell cytoplasm, but number is different in different area. The organ which activated mostly inside our body, like sense organs, eyes, sense of vision, ear, sense of sound, tongue, sense of taste, skin, sense of touch, and nose, sense of smell. These sense organs, as well as nervous system, brain and spinal cord, as well as excretory system, as well as digestive system, as well as circulatory system, all these systems works very actively and uses more ATP. And these cells, these organ cells consist more number of mitochondria. Where more number of mitochondria are present? The organ which require more energy, like heart, like brain, that organs consist more number of mitochondria. Is it clear to you? Why there is a more number of mitochondria? To produce more energy. Is it clear to you? The structure. What is the structure of mitochondria? Outer mitochondrial membrane is a continuous. Inner mitochondrial membrane is folded, and it folded into a finger-like projections called as cristae. Cristae plural, crista singular. Then on the crista, F1 particles or oxysomes are present on which electron transport system occurs. Matrix consists ribosomes, DNA and all the enzymes and all the components required for aerobic respiration. Each F1 particle consists head, stalk and base. What is the function of mitochondrion? Aerobic respiration occurs in the mitochondria. Mitochondria also called as powerhouse of the cell because energy in the form of ATP produced inside the mitochondria. Is it clear to you? Location, structure and function. Okay.